These are my new plants. Clearance again from Lowe's. So I got a $5 reward from my Lowe's rewards program, which will expire on October 1. So I just decided to look at Lowe's to see if there are any clearance plants. And this is what I saw. At first, I didn't get anything because all the sale were mums, asters, and big roses. So, paalis na ako. And then, when I stopped again by the regular priced flowers, I saw this with a red line over the tag. So, I knew it was clearance. And then, I saw two, and okay pa naman. And I wanted these flowers. I think they look pretty. Balloon flowers. And then when I went back to clearance, because I said it will only be $4, I need one more, maybe $2 more para sulit naman. Pero puro asters nga and mums ang nandun. And then I saw, meron din pa palang mga clearance dun. So I got another one. So, meron pa naman siyang mga buds. Like this one. May buds pa. Yan, buds. Ito, bubukas pa yan. And kaya sila balloon flower because before they open, lumalaki to. Parang balloon. Diba? So, I will just cut the spent blooms. So, this is called the Astra Pink Balloon Flower. It's full sun. Perennial siya. Mounting perennial. So, it's called hardy to zone 3, negative to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and ang mature size niya is 10 to 12 inches height by 10 to 12 inches wide, so around 2 feet in height and 2 feet wide. So, although it blooms summer daw, pwede pa rin naman. So, I'll just cut the spent blooms pa. Mukhang okay pa siya. I sprayed na rin anti-rabbit, anti-deer. So, repellent. Para hindi siya makagat before I plant them sa ground. Okay. Okay, so ikakat-cut ko lang yung mga deadhead. Bale. The spent blooms. Cut. Para mukhang bago na rin siya. So, this is my first time getting a balloon flower. Ganda siya, cute. Pink. And I like pink. So, ito yata tapos na yata ito. Seed yata ito. Okay. Oh, so, meron pa siya parang parang dagta. Or sap. Parang may sap siya. See? May sap. White sap. Nasaan na ba yan? Ayan. This one. Ito. May sap. So, yun. Ayan. Yep. Okay. So, meron pa siyang buds here. 2 buds, small buds. Para mag-bloom pa siya. And then the other one, ito, bubukas pa to. So, let's deadhead. Remove the spent blooms. Ito may bud. Okay. And then I'll plant them also sa front garden bed. But I'll wait muna. Pagod na ako pagdilig. Okay, and they're full sun. So, I'll just put them out sa deck muna beside the coneflower para maarawan. Okay. So, this is it. My 2 coneflowers. There you go. Okay, ganda, no? Pink. Okay. Ipot-ipot. I'm now ready to plant my balloon flowers. So, here beside the hydrangea, and the other one here beside the gomphrena. No, not the gomphrena, the lantana. So there, they are 1 by 1. So 1 foot by 1 foot. So I'll plant them. Fall is coming, or it's here. Monday is official start of fall, and there are already lots of leaves. Okay, start planting. So I will plant the other balloon flower here, and it looks so nice. Okay. It's easier to plant here, less rocks, and the soil is soft. It's hard to get out of the pot. Okay. So here it is. Okay, the other one is planted. Now let's go to the other one. It's a good thing the soil here is soft and it's not hard to dig. up a little the bottom. Okay, it's all planted. So here is what it looks like. There, I just need to clean it again and deadhead and water. Okay.